morning, children. Today I am BC Misra is going to teach you the poem Rebel. Now I am going to read the poem. Listen. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is getting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. By D.L. Enright. Now children, gist of the poem. A rebel is a person who always disagrees with you. He likes to do the opposite of what everyone loves to do. When everyone has short hairs, the rebel sports long hair. When others keep mum, the rebel breaks the silence. When others wear uniform, the rebel put on colored clothes. If others are dog lovers, the rebel prefers a cat. Thus, rebel always thinks and acts differently. That is why he is called a rebel. Now, difficult words with their meanings. Rebel, revolter. Fantastic, strange. During, duration. Disturbance, interruption. Prefer, like. Sober, simple. Praise, appreciate. Greet, welcome. Regret, feel sorry. Partner, companion. Brief, in short, describe, narrate. Now, questions with their answers. 1. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Answer. The teacher will call him, her, careless and disobedient. Next. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? The rebel wants a rainy day. Next, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Everyone else is likely to have cats as pets. Next, why is it good to have rebels? Answer. It is good to have rebels because they help us to see other side of the situation. Next question. Why is it not good to be a rebel to oneself? Answer. Because people don't like such a person. Next. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? Answer. I would like to be a rebel in order to understand things in a better way. But I always will not disagree as nobody likes a habitual rebel. Thank you. Write down questions and answers in your notebook, please.